Hi everyone, it's Donna from Hollywood, California. It's not just paint, it's art by Donna. And today I was so inspired by a pour I saw from Olga Solby this morning. And I told her on her YouTube channel, I said, this is something I need to try. And she said, go for it. So I am gonna go for it. I don't know what's going to happen here, but we shall see. It was a open cup pour, which I don't do the greatest on open cup pours, but I'm going to give it a whirl and just wish me luck. It was coral reef theme. So she had white on the top and she had like kind of like a blue. What I did was I had this whole big cup, as you can see here, of all that paint that rolls off the bottom, and I just used that, and I added a little bit of a turquoise into it to give it a nicer color on the bottom. So that's what I did there, and I mixed up lots of blues here, and I'll say them as I go along, and then of course I'll put them on the bottom as I normally do. And this is a Pebeo Studio acrylics, and this is very blue iridescent. This is a gorgeous looking color. Always love that. Oh, and she did, I was thinking of doing this. She mixed in a little extra blue, a different blue. I think she used ultramarine blue. So I have the southern blue, a Southern Ocean blue from Matisse. I think I'll stick that down in there. Yeah, that's what she did. So I kind of want to go along with the theme of what she did. Okay, so we started off with the Pebeo very blue iridescent, and then I'm going to go to a Liquitex Cobalt Blue U. Very pretty color. And then I have a Matisse Prussian blue, which is another color I love. Dark deep blue, beautiful. And then she used like a magenta color, so I'm using Algerian Crimson U. It's a Liquitex Soft Body. Thought this would be a nice contrast in color. And then of course you use gold, and I had Deco Art Metallics gold mixed, so that's what I'm using here. Some of that Deco Arts, and look at those cells coming up. Isn't that gorgeous? And then she used like an orange, she said, with a white mixed in. And I had mixed in from yesterday. I had an Art Minds Tangerine. And I thought, well, let's add that in. And look at these colors. Isn't that beautiful? Yeah, so then she went back and she added a little more of that turquoise, which I guess is my Pebeo. And oh, I just love the way this is going. I don't even want to, hate to even move that cup. How gorgeous is this? Absolutely beautiful. Those cells are amazing. I don't know, go back to a little gold maybe. A drop of gold at the end here. And maybe it's a drop of my Prussian blue. And the ocean blue, I love that ocean blue too. Yeah, all right, I don't want to add too much more paint. So how pretty is that? Wow. Wow, what do you even do with this? I don't even know what to do with that. Wow. That could be a wave. To see it the other way around, maybe without moving it, I could go on the other side. I'm going to apologize because I did change this painting. After I finished it here, I thought I was all done. And then the more I looked at it, I was not happy. So I went back probably about an hour later, and I blew out the top part, and then I stretched it a little more. And this is exactly what I got here. So take a look. Okay, when after I was sitting there looking at this for a while, I decided to change some of it. So I apologize. I did that off camera. What I did was I just blew it out with the straw, and the part that I blew out was right here. That little thing that looked like, I guess it looked like a dog's face or something. I don't know, it was bothering me. So I just blew that out a little bit, and I just stretched it a little more. So it looks a little different now. I actually like this, this composition a little better. I think you'll agree when you see the side-by-side. I'll show you a side-by-side at the end. So thank you for coming. Please give me a thumbs up. Bye-bye now.